In what is being described as a politically motivated act of terror, the home of prominent anti-corruption war veteran Blessed Geza was petrol bombed last night by unknown assailants, marking a dangerous escalation in Zimbabwe's rapidly deteriorating political climate. Sanabena mashuka tona kuti aiwa nemapictures arobuda tona kuti aiwa the house aiwa yabombshell Geza yo petrol bombewa panguva iyi yatiri kuona Geza akajambuka and people they do not know how he's going to react to this. When you subscribe or like out on the bell, tipina pana pamuna mobile pamchinzi. Images shared early this morning show Geza's house severely burned with visible tearing across walls, destroyed roofs, and debris scattered across the property. WhatsApp messages circulating since dawn confirmed the incident occurred under the cover of darkness, with witnesses reporting gunfire, wire cutting tools, and petrol bombs thrown into their home. In quotes, imba yaGeza yarohwa manheru yatove hoto iyi. Guys, read this one. Geza's house was attacked last night. This is now war, guys. Another response 8. Vangoridzirwa pfuti vakanda mapetrol bombs mumba vaita war yekucheka. No injuries have been reported, but occupants of the property reportedly fled for their lives as flames engulfed the building. The attacks comes just 3 days before the 31 March demonstrations, a mass action being organized to demand Mnangagwa's resignation following what is spread public anger over constitutional violations and elite impunity. Tomashuka kuda panapa munhu achinoti aiwa chatsva manje panapa, this is not an open war. Panapa kurwa kwacho aiwa kwakunyatsokuonekwa kunzi kuri very direct and straightforward. Vakomana tikuona bombshell Geza ari kuatakawo zvigananda, tikuona kuti zviganandawo ndizvo zvatavasuspected zvokuatakawo Geza. Panapa tinoonzwa kuti aiwa the war was just cut, angochekiwa magunfires. Panapa tinoona kuti it was petrol bomb. Zviitiko zvatikuona bombshell Geza, we don't know kuti acharesponda sei, but obviously achatopedzera his attacks. Tidze mafundo enyu mutudie pamusoro pechitiko ichi muna comment section yedu. Subscribe or like.